about the shuttle? The shuttle goes there? It's not a plane.
I didn't think he was into airplanes.
Planes, cars, and trains. All morning it was trains. Whoa, careful.
He gonna win.
He's gonna win. Watch out, Dusty.
He wins. What about that one?
But how does a spaceship take off? Not like that. It goes up high. Yes, you gotta turn it this way. Remember, he goes up.
Wait, what about this?
No.
No.
Straight up.
Straight up. Not like that.
He gonna win.
Go to
Win. Here. Dusty's your turn.
your turn, Dusty.
You guys take him to San Carlos yet?
Do the aviation thing. Careful. Oh, careful. Oh, my goodness. Careful, everybody's safe. Crash and burn. That's terrible. Say, that's terrible. Oh, now it's the fire and rescue one. Get ready for takeoff. You can sit next to your lady friend.
Well, thank you. It's hot.
This one here.
It's riding on a 30-foot wave.
Can you show us what the wings do? Do they go up? Your baby? Go show Grandma over there. Go show Grandma your baby. Can you show Grandma? I forgot her clip. Can you go show Daddy the baby?
Can I see?
Show Daddy the baby.
Right here. Right
He's in there.
here.
Show me the Disney friend. She just shot.
He's
Come here.
ready for takeoff.
Oh, cool.
Come on. Jump. Good girl.
Oh no!
Can you show Grandma the baby?
Wait! You need to push my plane.
Uno.
Hey! Plane! Look! He's ready for takeoff. Ready for takeoff.
Where's Donald? Oh, where's Donald?
Did you not bring Donald? Maybe you forgot him.
Oh, we forgot Donald.
Daisy's there.
Hey, look! Look!
We're looking. We're looking. Can you make the noise? Can you make noise? Does he talk? How does he talk? D'Angelo, does Dusty talk? Can you press the button?
Whoa.
Oh, yeah?
Like, because it's gliding by.
Yeah. That's funny.
And everyone thinks he's
Uh-oh.
trying to hit you.
Oh, really? That's funny.
And top that.
He's a flyby, yeah.
Ione, you went to that really cool house yesterday?
Yeah.
It was so cool. Really
The light one?
house that has a ton of light.
Oh, yeah?
So good.
Where at?
Oh, let's get it. Go get it.
Somewhere here. Somewhere.
Oh, here?
Ready, go!
San Carlos has a street that
We didn't
Yeah,
do
we
that
went to
this
the one.
year.
down San Carlos. It's like by Orange and
Yeah, we've done that.
We did the South City one.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, Daniel, your sister. Can you say sorry? Can you say sorry? Can you give her a kiss, please, and say sorry? No, you hurt her.
No, don't push her, don't push her. No, 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 no.
No, you go on the other side. You're gonna break your shuttle. You don't have to go that far.
You still under Transformer from it?
Darlene says I do.
Oh, really?
Says,
They're worth money.
she says he was stored somewhere.
Oh, really? You kept it together too, right?
Daddy has to do this. Daddy has to do this.
Alright. She's sick, huh?
Better.
Better, but she's just cranky. Cranky pants.
Can I have one?